Okay, so this thing here, it hates me. It hates me. See that light? Like, should not be on. It teases me. It goes off sometimes, but it shouldn't be on. I just caught it. It was blinking. I don't know why. Maybe I have some sort of noise. Temperature gauge bounces all over the place. Well, I mean, like 10 or 15 degrees. Fuck. What the? Anyway, yeah. Of course, it was blinking the whole time before I turned this on, and now it's not going to do it anymore. I plug in the laptop, but as soon as I do, it just decides it's going to reset like crazy. So, screw it. But, I mean, I just don't get it. It hates me. Everything is great till I plug in the laptop or whatever. Also, my motor mount's broke. That's cool. Found the compressor housing reclocked itself this morning. That was neat. But yeah, Mega Squirt.